Hello and welcome everyone, Adl with you here in a new video. Today we have this nvidia geforce GTX 1650. It's from MSI, it's the Gaming X edition. This one has 4 gigabytes. Let's get here. We have the front side, we have the picture of the graphic card, the MSI logo and rhythm, we have the geforce GTX and the nvidia logo, we have the characteristics, we have the Gaming X. We'll flip to the top side where we have the MSI Gaming X geforce GTX 1650 again, all written over again. But we'll go to the back side where we have the characteristics of the fans, how it cools down very efficiently even though it's a small fan and everything. This design is the Twin Frozer 7 thermal design. It has Trox fan 3.0. This is the 4GB edition as it's written in the left side. I always make the same mistake. This is right side. We open up the box. Here it opens up very beautifully. We can pull the graphic card very easily by just putting 2 fingers, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead I will just flip the box. Here it is. We'll just check the box if it's empty. It is. Now we'll go to the graphic card. We flip it, there's nothing, just porting the graphic card. We have this MSI thank you. We have this MSI envelope that contains all the papers and the manuals about the graphic card. It does have a small book too, we'll see that later. It's very beautiful and I love the black color. And now there's the graphic card in its anti-static plastic bag. I'll just try to pull it out. It pulls out very smoothly. Now for the envelope. We'll open up the envelope to see what's inside it. As I told you before, there's the MSI manual. There's a CD driver to install the graphic card drivers if you don't have internet connection. But I would recommend to download the drivers from the internet to get the latest version. We have this comic book of the MSI Dragon. And we have this. What is this? Now for the graphic card, we pull it from its plastic bag. Here we have the MSI Dragon in the left side. We have my friend passing by. It has 2 fans. Its design is very modern. The base clock of this graphic card is 1860 MHz and 8 MB per second. It has 4G DDR5 gigs of RAM, and it has 2 display ports and 1 HDMI. Here we have the back side where we have the MSI Dragon, and here we have the 8 pins. So I won't recommend to buy this graphic card anymore. 1650 Super is out now and it performs better. So why bother buying this graphic card when you can get much more performance with a small price difference? I'm not talking about the AMD comparisons or anything. I'm just staying in the nvidia series right now in this episode. We'll be doing a comparison in another video maybe, but not in this one. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and a comment and share it with your friends. Why not? And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Instagram. Special thanks to Al Computer from Cuba who lended us this graphic card and the one from the previous video. So thank you very much and goodbye.